Have you ever heard the haunting tale of Hippolyta, the fierce queen of the Amazons? In a realm where only the strongest survive, she was both revered and feared. Her beauty was renowned, but it was her prowess in battle that truly defined her. One fateful day, Heracles, the legendary hero, sought the prized belt of Hippolyta, a symbol of her power. Intrigued, she agreed to meet him, drawn by tales of his strength. But the gods had other plans. Hera, jealous of Hippolyta's independence, whispered treachery into Heracles' ear. He was convinced Hippolyta intended to betray him. In a blind rage, he attacked her. Despite their initial bond, the clash was fierce. The might of the hero met the fury of the Amazon queen in a battle that echoed through the ages. In the chaos, Hippolyta fought valiantly, but was ultimately defeated. Her belt, a token of her identity, was taken as a trophy. However, in that loss, she found her strength anew. Rather than fade into the shadows, she vowed to reclaim her honor. Thus began a new chapter in her life, one of resilience and revenge, forever transforming the legacy of the Amazons and igniting the fires of stories yet to unfold.